If you're manually sorting receipts, double checking entries, and worrying about bookkeeping errors, you are wasting time that could be better spent growing your business. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Dext AI Assist to automate your bookkeeping and quickly spot errors before they become costly problems. This tool can help you streamline your entire workflow from capturing receipts to categorizing transactions while using AI to flag inconsistencies and keep your books accurate. Now, if you want to follow along or try it out yourself, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So, let's begin. Okay, so first things first, open your browser and head over to their website. And remember, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. Now, before you dive in, it's really important to check out their pricing plans because this could determine your business goals, your size, and of course, your budget. If you want to scale up, you can always go to the essentials and the advanced so you can unlock all of the tools and features. But if you wanted to test out the platform, it's okay to start a free trial. It's a 14-day generous access to the platform and it doesn't require any credit card. Okay, all I have to do is go to the start a free trial. Now, from here, you have two options. Whether you're a practice or a business, there's a free trial available so you can try it out and see the difference. I'm going to choose the first one, and what will happen is I will be forwarded to the next page wherein I just have to provide all of the information needed. Now, there will be a couple of questions that you need to answer. Okay, just click on the continue button. And then from here, if you want to choose the accounting software you use, in my case, I am using Xero. Click the continue button and you can be honest on what do you want to use Dext for. If you want other, you can do that. But in my case, I'm choosing the receipt and invoice capture. Click the continue button because if you do, click the Start Exploring and you will be forwarded to the main dashboard of Dext platform. Once you're inside the dashboard, I want you to look for the AI Assist feature. And for you to be able to do that, click the Manage Subscription. And then, you see, click the AI Assist because this is where the magic happens. Now, if you're using the free trial, it will give you this small notification, okay? And you are limited to trying the Dext AI Assist for 10 clients. So, what we're gonna do is simply click the try it for free with 10 clients, and you will be forwarded to the summary page of Dext AI Assist. It gives you a snapshot of your bookkeeping activity, total expenses, outstanding receipts, and flagged items. From here, you can quickly identify areas that needs attention like missing receipts or unprocessed invoices. However, since this is a newly created account, we don't have any activity yet, right? But this is going to be your main control center before diving into the specifics. After that, we have the costs. This section is focused on expenses and bills. Because with this, you can automate the categorization of receipts and invoices using AI, reducing manual entry. All I have to do is add a document. You can choose from costs, sales, bank, supplier statements, vault, and a lot more. But for now, we're going to choose the cost. Okay, you can drag and drop the files to upload or select from your computer. Now, Dext AI Assist can flag unusual or duplicate expenses, making it easier to spot errors. For example, the file has been successfully uploaded and it will be forwarded to the review section. Now here you can simply view the image if you want. As you have noticed, Dext AI Assist automatically extracts key details like the supplier name, date, total amount, tax information, so no more manual typing, it's all handled for you. And if you want to download the extracted file, you can do so. Okay, so after that, another Dext AI feature that we are going to explore is the sales section. With this, you can track incoming revenue such as invoices sent to clients or sales from your business. All I have to do is start a free trial so you can automate this into your bookkeeping details. You can connect this to a client. Remember, if you're using a free plan, you are limited to 10 clients. We have already used one client, and then if we're going to connect this to another client, we can do that as well. But for now, we're going to use this to our specific client. Okay, so you need to add a sales connection. Okay, so you can choose from any of your paperwork. Is it going to be like Google Drive, a Dropbox, Cloud? It's up to you. In my case, I'm going to choose Google Drive. Once you have connected that, AI Assist can help extract key details from sales invoices. All we have to do is add another documents here, select the file, and Dext AI will do its work. I want you to click on it. It will be forwarded to the review section. And from here, as you can see, that Dext AI automatically records them. It ensures that all sales are accurately reflected in your accounting system, reducing missed income entries. Now we move on to the bank section. This is all about the bank feed integration and reconciliation because AI Assist can match any transactions from your bank with your invoices and receipts. All I have to do is add your bank account here. Okay, you can do so by connecting your bank, click the continue button, and provide all the information needed. Because once you have continued, now with this Bank AI Assist, it speeds up the reconciliation process by automatically suggesting matches, reducing manual cross-checking. Right now, it's extracting all of the details from your bank account to the statement of account. And if you click the viewed extracted details, you would notice you can spot any unreconciled or any suspicious transactions very quickly. That's where the Dext AI Assist can help you with your bookkeeping. And after that, we're going to go to the Vault. Since you wanted Dext AI Assist to automate all your workflow, the Vault is going to be your secure digital storage for your financial documents. So all receipts, invoices, and statements can be uploaded, stored, and indexed automatically. You can select a folder template if you want. For example, let's say if you want to use annual accounts, self-assessment, bookkeeping management accounts, and VAT. Let's do that. Let's say we're gonna go for the 2026. You can choose from any of the following month. So right now, I'm gonna choose the April. Okay, I'm gonna click the create folders, and what will happen is AI can extract key information from bookkeeping without you opening each file since you have already accessed the Dext AI Assist Vault. So if you want to add documents, you can do so, similar to what we have done earlier. But since we have created a template folder, it ensures all your documents are easily retrievable for audits or reporting in the future. Even though AI is powerful, you want to quickly review the data, check for accuracy, and assign the correct categories because the more you use Dext AI Assist, the smarter it gets over time. And of course, once everything looks good, you can publish the data directly to your accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks because this keeps your books updated in real time without manual work. Remember, if you manage multiple clients or your business deals with a lot of receipts, invoices, and expenses, Dext AI Assist can save you a ton of time and reduce human errors. Its AI is surprisingly smart at categorizing transactions and spotting discrepancies. That said, it isn't perfect. There's still a learning curve and you'll need to review some entries manually, especially if your business has unique transactions or complex accounting needs. But overall, for small business owners, accountants, and bookkeeping practices, it's a huge time saver. And if you want to give it a try, check out the affiliate link in the description below to get started. And do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.